Hello, it's Bernadette Jansen from the School of Renovating. Today I want to talk about maintaining focus on your goals. So I have been doing a 75-day challenge called 75 Hard. And one of my goals doing that challenge was to lose weight. So I've incorporated it with the Fast 800 diet. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been at it for around about 60 days, so I've only got 2 weeks to go. And I've lost a significant amount of weight and I feel just so much healthier, but it's stalled, and I was beginning to feel a little bit despondent and feeling like I was in a rut and it wasn't working. Now, had I not committed to 75 days, I would probably have called it quits by now, because I would have lost the faith and decided that it wasn't worth pursuing. But because I'd committed to no compromises, I've kept going, and it's forced me to really look at what I've been doing to see whether I really have been fully focused on the program or whether I've been half-hearted. And I found that while I wasn't really diverting too much from what I was meant to be doing, I wasn't really keeping really well focused on it. So I recommitted to refocusing, and now I'm starting to see results again. And I just wanted to talk about this with you because I know with a lot of renovators, they often feel like it's a very up and down road. Like it might take you forever to get started on a project because you've got to get things in place before you get there. And often it can be easy to lose focus and let time drag on. And I want to encourage you to maintain the faith, because anything that's worth having requires a serious commitment from you. You can do it half-heartedly and it can take you forever to get there, if you get there at all, or you can be really seriously focused and get there as quickly as possible. I really notice this with some of the renovators that come through our training. Some will be through the boot camp and out the other end and just totally focused on what they want to achieve and have their first project done and dusted within 6 months, whereas others will take not months but years. And the difference is that focus. So I really want to encourage you that if you have renovation or property goals, maintain the faith and keep your focus. Have a plan and work it. And if you need some help along the way, I'm going to include the links to a couple of relevant podcast episodes that I've done in order to help you to get to where you want to go.